Eto na. So, maganda yung app. Sana manalo ng $50 USDT. So, yes, maganda yung application. Bukod sa giveaway, I will show you some more reasons, some key features why you should trade using Bingx. First, eto, nasabi ko na to last time. And dito yung mga low cap gems that I've invested in. What are those tokens? I will just mention it sa future contents ko. And they're still adding projects. Second, it's non-KYC. So, that's a good thing because makakapag-trade ka na kagad sa Bingx kahit estudyante ka pa lang or wala ka pang government ID. Third one, they have paper trading. So, for those who prefer paper trading or to do paper trading, they have it here. There. So, you'll be given 100,000 virtual USD or VST para makapagsimula ka na agad, makapag-practice mag-trading. Pang-apat, meron silang copy trading. And this is not just any other copy trading. Pwede mong kopyahin yung mga trades ng mga professional traders sa Bingx at sa ganda. Ito pa, ito isa sa pinaka-importante, security. They have two-factor authentication, they have Google verification, at ito pa. When you open the application, you have an option to use fingerprint verification. Eto pa, so pag magka-cash out, you'll be required, syempre, email verification, phone verification, at they have PIN code na ikaw ang magsiset. So that is another layer of security. Pang-anim, okay? Not just crypto, pwede ka rin mag-trade ng mga index, stock index, like S&P 500 at Nasdaq index. Commodities like gold, silver, and crude oil. Eto pa, Forex. 7, you'll get trading bonus up to $120 the more you use the platform. Pangwalo, yung interface nila is very smooth at very newbie-friendly. So, may mga tickers dyan, may mga buttons dyan na designed to make your trading easier. Sabi nga ng tagline ni Bingx, trading made easy. To register and start trading with Bingx, again, the link is in my bio.